Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. This is an appliance you can use for charging your mobile phone, and you can also use it for saving money. And this is a small trash bin you can use anywhere at home. This is a small printer. This is another this is a folding a small washing machine. This is a cooker. These are shelves you can use for organizing your sandals, and this is an electric file. This is an iron. This is a hair dryer. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning your bed. This is a box you can use for wipes, and this is a cooker you can use for cooking chicken. This is an electric brush you can use for brushing off your clothes or your mattress. This is an organizer you can use for organizing your plates. These are hangers. This is a hanger you can use for your clothes. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning mirrors and windows. This is a shelf you can use in the bathroom. This is a hair dryer. These are mats you can use in the kitchen. This is a juicer you can use for making juice. Let's see what's in this apartment. This is a cleaner you can use for your bed. This is another small mop. This is a mop you can use for cleaning floor. This is a cleaner you can use for walls. You can also use it for the ceiling. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals, and this is an egg holder. This is a cooker you can use for cooking rice. This is a grinder. This is a juicer. This is a smart washing machine. This is another washing machine. It's a folding washing machine. These are small chairs. This is an electric top you can use for your feet. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. This is a box where you can put toilet paper, and this is a small shelf you can use in the bathroom. This is an electric brush you can use for cleaning mats. You can also use it for your stove. This is another shelf you can use for organizing your sandals. This is another apartment. This is the package. She's gonna unpack these new products. This is a hanger you can use for organizing your sandals. This is a box you can use for wipes. This is a small trash bin. This is another box you can use for toilet paper. This is a cleaner you can use for your bed. You can also use it for cleaning pillows. This is a square mop. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning the floor. We've got this one you can use for the corners. You can use it for windows. This is a small trash bin. Let's see what's in this fridge. We've got these organizers. This is another package. She's gonna unbox these new products. This is a blender you can use for making juice. This is a folding washing machine. This is a folding mop you can use for mopping the floor. These are shelves you can use for organizing your sandals.